Now that my fiance is around, you just have to understand.
Ikenga, I cannot leave you. You are everything to me. You know very well that I rejected 3 suitors in the past, all because of you. And now you want to disappoint me? Ikenga, I love you so much more than any other woman can love you in this life. I love you, Ikenga.
Mama, I know how much you love me. And I know you truly love me. That is not the point. The point is Adana, my fiancé, is in town. So we're going to get married anytime soon, so I want you to understand.
Ikenga, I can't let you go. I would rather kill myself for you than to let you slip off my fingers. I can't.
Mama, take the money. Take this money and go. I mean, go somewhere, disappear. Go wherever you want to go. Start a new life entirely. Alright? Mama, I want you to understand something. I cannot and will not jeopardize the relationship that has been in existence between Adana's parents and my parents. I will not jeopardize it.
And I also want you to know this, that even though I am hungry, I cannot be bought with this money. Why don't you take this money to Adana? Tell her to start up a new life. Take your money. I don't want your money. It's you that I want. Oh.
Take the money. You need it. You will need it.
I don't need your money. Give it to Adana, not me.
Mama, you would have taken this money. I would have still added more to it.
Papa, why did you take the princess to such a place? Do you think the king will be happy with you if he hears about it?
Papa, I tried all I could to stop her. But Princess Adana was hell-bent on going there.
But you shouldn't have taken her to that place at all. That kind of place is not meant for somebody like that.
I told her, but she wouldn't listen to me.
Don't take her to that place again. I repeat myself, don't take her to that place again.
I've heard you, Papa. I am sorry. I promise I would never take her there again. But, Papa, I just wish you understand with me. I don't know why she has this strong love for local food.
You've heard me, my son. The king is a very good friend of mine. So you have to be careful. Go inside.
I'm sorry.
Local canteen. Yeah.
Jane, can I ask you a question?
Yes. Go on.
How do you know when a man loves a woman?
My princess, this is a very difficult question, but I will try.
Okay.
My princess, when a man loves a woman, he hardly breaks her heart. And his major concern is to make sure that that woman is happy. He cares for the woman. That's my opinion, my princess.
Nicely put.
Hi, Mom.
Ikenga has not been visiting for a very long time now. And you are not bothered to visit him. I hope all is well.
All is well, Mother. I mean, we talk on the phone.
That is not enough. You should be seeing each other as often as possible so you can get acquainted with each other. You were separated for 10 years. 10 good years. You need time to get used to each other now.
We are already used to each other, Mother. I mean, King and I were engaged long before I left for the States to study, so...
That is not what I'm saying, my beautiful queen. I mean, you should be close to him now that you are back. Very close, so that you could know him very well. Oh, yes.
All right, then. I mean, I'll give him a call. I'll visit him soon.
Visit him tomorrow. Yeah. He is a man. You need time to study and understand him very well.
All right, Mother, I've heard you.
My princess, your mother is saying the right thing, you know. She is.
Your Highness.
Yes, ma'am.
We cannot keep quiet and watch Oledo ruins her life. It's time you call her to order. She cannot be drinking herself to stupor all the time.
You are right. So where is she? I want to see her immediately.
She's not yet back. And nobody knows her whereabouts.
What? Are you telling me Oledo is not in this house?
That is what I'm saying.
She's still outside by now?
Yes.
What kind of rubbish is this? Did you call her line up?
Yes, I wanted to tell you. I called her and her phones are off. That is why I'm so worried about her. Look at her. She's drunk again. Hey, Oledo. Oledo. Mommy,
take her to her room.
Oledo.
Take her into her room.
Mommy should be happy that your daughter is now. Hey, Your Highness. Your Highness.
What are you waiting for? Take her inside.
Father, I'm not drunk, Father.
You are not drunk.
I'm not drunk. It's good to drink away your sorrows, Father. Father, leave me.
Come, listen. Take her inside.
Please come and help me. Come and help me.
I said take her inside. He said come and help me. Help people.
Help me.
Take her inside.
Please, I am here to see the princess. Tell her I'm around.
Wait. I want to ask you something. Do you think she loves you?
What do you mean?
I mean the princess, of course. Yes. Are you surprised? Well, I have been watching you lately. Yes. And I noticed how much you admire her. I even made inquiries about both of you. And I was told that both of you were having secret affairs before she even left for her studies.
Jane! Please, do not put me into problems. Please, just go in there and tell the princess I'm here to see her.
Ochifu, now I know why you want to quit this relationship. Why?
My princess.
How are you?
I am fine.
I didn't know you were here. I was just telling my mother about you.
I just came in now. I actually came to give you this.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Thanks.
You're welcome, my princess.
Please take it inside for me, Jane.
I have to go now.
Hold on. Why do you have to be in such a hurry every time? It would be great if you sit so we chit chat a bit. No?
My princess, I wish I could, but my father is waiting for me at home. Please, let's do it some other time. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Will you take me home then? I'd like to learn my adventures, you know that.
Yes, I will, my princess.
Okay.
I have to go now.
No matter what has happened in the past, you have no reason to kill yourself. You have no reason to drink off your life. You have no reason to drink to stupor. Don't you know it is very disgraceful? Oledo, what is wrong with you?
She nearly killed herself yesterday.
Yes. If not for that kind man, that good man that saw your condition and decided to bring you home, you would have killed yourself. According to him, he said you almost ran into a heavy truck. Is that true?
Father, is it not better I die than to live with the memories of what both of you did to me?
What? You don't make such comment. Don't make that statement again. It is wrong of you.
I have no apologies for whatsoever I say. Father, the past government gave you a scholarship award for your daughter to study abroad. But what did you do? You gave the scholarship to another man's daughter. Father, why?
Oledo, do you know the reason I did that?
No reason is enough for you to act so stupidly.
Oledo, you're talking to your father.
Mother,
Oledo.
I'm angry right now. I'm very angry right now. Put yourself in my shoes and tell me if you will not feel the same way I do. Father, you value another man's daughter more than me.
No. Adanna is not a stranger. Adanna is your brother's fiancée.
Yes.
And one day she will become a member of this family. And you know it. Oledo, why not understand? Oledo, why not take it easy? I am ready to do anything to make it up to you. Please.
Oledo, please. Calm down and listen to your father. Okay?
Too late. I'm sorry.
Yeah, come here. Oledo, don't dare walk out on me. Don't try it. Oledo, don't make me regret of having you as my daughter. Don't!
Don't say it.
You must be very careful. Be careful.
Oledo. Oledo. Oledo, do you know you are disrespecting your father? Oledo, why can't you calm down and listen to your father for once? He is your father. You ought to respect him.
I don't want to hear anything.
Sit. This is the place. There are local dishes that you die for. You'll love their food, I promise.
Princess.
Hello.
You're welcome. I'm fine.
Well, we're here again.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You can have it.
Sure. Come on, let's sit down.
If this is a joke, you better stop it.
A
okay?
joke?
Yes.
What do you mean?
What are we doing here?
We're here to have lunch. You know that. See, this is where I have my meals whenever they cook meals I don't like in the house.
Then you must be out of your mind. Adana, you're learned. For crying out loud, you out. I mean, you should behave as one. This place is not meant for people like you and I. Not at all.
Why are you throwing tantrums?
You know what? I hate it when elites like you try to provoke my anger. I don't like it. Okay? And thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much for embarrassing me before those commoners here. Have a nice day, Adana.
Oh, my princess. I'm sorry for that. It's okay. Let's eat, shall we? Welcome once again.
Thank you.
It's good to have you here.
I'm so sorry. I was supposed to come with my brother.
Yeah.
But my father sent me somewhere, so I couldn't wait for him. Yeah.
That's a shame, though. I expected to see both of you. So when you see him, you let that man know I'm disappointed.
That one is not a problem. Maybe he can still come some other time.
Yeah, I'm always here.
So, how is everything?
Everything good, girl. You've seen me.
Have I told you this before?
Tell me what?
My father secured a scholarship for me.
Shut up. Your father?
Yes, that is true. I will soon be traveling out of the country.
No way!
And by the time I come back, my level will change.
Oh,
I won't be in the same level with you again.
Oh my! Congratulations!
Thank you.
You're not kidding, are you?
I'm not. I'm serious.
Congratulations again! Oh man, look at that. You know what I'm going to do? I'll get my father to get me an admission too, so I can travel abroad. You don't want to leave me here and go anywhere. Seriously, you never know. I just might go before you.
Ah, you are dreaming.
I'm not.
Look at what you're saying.
I'm not kidding.
Mine has already been secured, but you're saying you persuade your father to do that for you. So can you see the difference?
Want to make a bet?
You are kidding me.
Want to make a bet?
Okay, let's bet.
No, she actually did.
I will travel before you.
You see.
Okay.
I'll get you. You see.
You will not. I will leave before you. Wait and see.
You are unbelievable.
I'm not.
All right, we'll see.
Hey. How was I to know she was going to take away the scholarship my own father secured for me? It seems as if the world was against me. And then I feel like killing that girl with my bare hands.
Adana, I blame you for that. Yes, you should take the blame.
Me? What did I do?
I mean, you shouldn't have taken him to such a lonely place. Knowing his status and yours. Eh? I wonder how you located such a place.
Mother, listen. Nothing you say here will ever justify the scene Ikenga created for nothing. He insulted me. And then he went ahead and made a scene in front of my gods and maidens.
You insulted him first. And I advise you call him and apologize.
I should call him and apologize?
Yes. And do not allow your father to hear about this. I don't know what has come over him.
I don't believe this.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm here to see the prince. Is he around?
No, it's not around.
Oh, okay. Please, give him this when he comes back. Please, give this to him. Make sure it gets to him. Very important.
I'll deliver to him.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my princess, later.
All right.
Come here. Come close. Let me have the letter.
It's for the prince.
I said let me have. Come on, give it to me.
Wow! This is so interesting. I love this. Here comes the British trained doctor.
Huh. Look who finally decided to come say hello. Can I get a hug?
Ooh, pretty. It's a pity we have not seen since you came back.
Because you have been avoiding me, my friend.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you. So, how are you? Have you been?
I'm cool. I'm alright.
Why have you been avoiding me?
Was I? I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? You?
Hey, no.
What is it?
Well, if you are here to see my brother, it might interest you to know that he's not in.
Oh, shame. At least I can wait for him.
No. No.
What now, Ola? Something wrong? You don't want me to go inside?
No, I'm not. But I think it might interest you to have a look at this.
What is this?
Never mind. It's not necessary. My brother's wife, mistress, is 3 months pregnant. You got jokes. You're kidding, right? I'm not kidding. You can call your fiancé or whatever you call him to find out the rest. Once again, you're welcome. Excuse me.
You're not kidding? Ola, you're not kidding?
Never mind. It's not necessary. My brother's wife, mistress, is 3 months pregnant. You can call your fiancé or whatever you call him to find out the rest.
He ought to have called by now. Does it mean he has not gotten my message? No answer. He's not picking my calls. It means he has gotten my message and he's avoiding my calls right now. Ikenga, why are you making me go through all this pain now? Why? Ikenga, why? I won't let you be. I won't let you be.
I told you to stop calling me. Just stop.
She's calling to know if you have received her message.
All I do, what are you talking about?
She was here in the afternoon when you were not around.
Who?
The content is so interesting.
What the hell are you talking about, Ola?
Are you afraid to check the content? Okay, I will tell you. She asked me to give this to you. And I checked and found out that it is a pregnancy test result.
What?
I think she's pregnant for you.
What's the meaning of that?
What is going on here?
Oh, Mother, thank God you are here. Your son's mistress is 3 months pregnant for him.
Ikenga, what exactly is she talking about?
Mom, I don't know the nonsense she's talking about.
Mother. Okay. You can check. Oh my goodness. You can check the contents if you don't believe me.
Ikenga, let me have it.
Ola, I will not take this nonsense from you. Is that clear?
Excuse me.
Ikenga, let me have it.
Ola! Ola!
Ikenga!
sorry, this is not the best time to call, okay? This is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I mean, why should Oloma do this? Huh? Why did she hand this thing over to Ola? Kai. Oloma must have told her then everything. She must have told her everything. How am I going to explain this? Where do I start from? Huh? Daniel, what do you want me to tell you? Huh? What do you want me to tell you?
Jane, the princess has been indoors since you came back from Umago Kingdom. Is anything the matter?
Uju, I don't really know. She has not been herself ever since we left Umago. And she even refused to open door for me when the queen sent me to go and call her.
I think something is wrong, and I think it has something to do with Prissy Kenga.
Here! Uju!
Yes.
Look at me, please. I don't want any problem. Do you want to put words into my mouth?
Okay.
I just told you I don't know.
Sorry, it's okay. I just wanted to know. It's okay.
Here.
Welcome, Rodrigo.
Thank you. I'm here to see the princess. Is she around?
Yes, she is, but she's sleeping and she instructed she doesn't want any disturbance at the moment.
Okay, tell her I was here when she wakes up, okay?
Okay, I will.
I have to take my leave now.
Alright, bye-bye.
Take care.
Okay. Jane, why did you have to do that? Why did you have to walk out on him? Jane, I'm talking to you. Why did you do that?
I don't want to set my eyes on him. Did you hear me? He is so wicked and heartless. Why are you laughing?
Oh, wait. You think you can win his love back by being rude to him? Ah.
I don't understand.
You will. You will.
Is that why you're laughing?
What are you two doing here?
It is my queen.
It is my queen.
Have you checked on my daughter?
No, my queen.
Do it now.
Okay, my queen.
And you? Don't you have anything doing?
I'm done with my domestic chores, my queen.
Yeah, who is there? I said, who is there? Do you want to break my door?
Hold on, I'll open the door. Open this door. What is the meaning of this?
Ikenga, good afternoon.
Olama, what is the meaning of this?
At least answer my greeting.
I don't need your greetings. Olama, what is the meaning of this? Answer me now before I strangle you. What is the meaning of that?
You want me to talk? Then leave free.
Then talk.
Oh, Kinga. If you haven't gone through it, well, it may interest you to know that I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant for me?
Yes.
I will not let you blackmail me. I will not let you blackmail me with this cheap agreement. Is that clear?
Ikenga, take me to any hospital of your choice for another test. If you are doubting me, yes.
That's nonsense. Nonsense! Now listen to me and listen to me good. For the last time. Uloma, I don't want to see you anywhere near me or near my house. Else you will regret it.
You cannot scare me away with your empty threats. Instead, I will personally come to your parents and tell them everything they need to know.
Don't dare me. Uloma, don't you dare me for the last time. Nowhere near me, nor my house.
Then, do the right thing. Do the right thing, Ikenga. Do the right thing, Ikenga. Do the right thing. Do the right thing, Ikenga. Do the right thing.
Already. Are you aware of the implication of what you have just told us?
Father, Mother can bear witness that Ikenga refused to open the letter in her presence. Instead, he walked away with it.
My queen.
Yes, Your Highness.
Have you in any way called Ikenga to know the content of that letter?
Ikenga has been avoiding me since that time. Yes.
Dad. Oh, okay.
Yes, Ikenga, please. Come this way.
Is anything the matter?
Sit down.
Have your seat, please. Ikenga.
Dad.
Who is the young girl that brought a pregnancy test result yesterday?
Uloma. That's her name.
Uloma.
Is she the same girl I saw here with you some time ago?
Yes, Mom.
Ikenga, what did I tell you about that girl?
That's all right. And the test says it is 3 months pregnancy. Is it true of us?
It's not true, Dad. She's only trying to blackmail me, that's it.
Are you sure?
There's no truth in it.
Oh, blackmail. Can I have the result?
I returned it.
Okay. I want to see that girl tomorrow.
Father, there will be no need for that. That'll just be a waste of time.
What do you mean it is a waste of time? There is no need. I said I want to see that girl tomorrow. And you are telling me it's a waste of time? Listen to me. You just have to pass my information to that girl. Do I make myself clear?
Oledo, will you shut up your mouth? This is not a laughing matter. And for your information, I don't want to hear this outside this palace. Do you hear me? Don't mention it outside here.
Yes, Mom.
Papa, you're back already.
Yes, the cabinet meeting did not hold again.
Why? What happened?
Nothing so serious.
Papa, did you see my princess?
This is your princess. Actually, I did not see him. But take this. Igwe said you should get him up and wine tomorrow.
Okay, Papa. Thank you very much, Papa.
I want to
Mba. Papa, thank you very much. Papa, thank you.
How did you come about this result?
From the hospital, Your Highness.
From the hospital? Are you actually pregnant, or are you just trying to play some pranks?
It is not a joke, Your Highness. I am pregnant.
And my son is responsible for it?
Yes, Your Highness.
Father, she's lying. She's not pregnant.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Mother, don't tell me to shut up.
You brought this upon yourself.
She's trying to tarnish my image in this kingdom and I won't take it from her.
I say shut up! Don't say a word. Shut up.
Your Highness, I am not lying to you. Okay, if you don't believe me, why don't you take me to another hospital for a fresh test? Yes?
There is no point for that. There is no need to prolong this matter. I know my son. I want you to understand that my son here has been betrothed to the princess of a Rubere kingdom. And that on no account will I hear anything about this matter in this house again. All right. That is it. Come on, have it. Come on, have it. I want you to go to the hospital and terminate that pregnancy with immediate effect.
Yes, my dear.
Okay?
Yes. Take the money. You can use it and take care of yourself after that abortion, okay? Just do it. Use it. Anything you want to. You do with the money, do it. And leave my son alone.
But Father, you should have investigated. We should have investigated before doing anything.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up for once. You brought the ant-infested wood into this home. And so, I do not want you to say even a word again.
Ikenga, are you not ashamed of yourself?
He should be ashamed of himself, actually.
Ikenga.
She's not pregnant.
Will you shut up, I said, shut up!
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny.
Hey, Mama. You are leaving. I know they must have paid you to abort the pregnancy. Well, give me a call tomorrow.
And what were you telling her?
How much did you give her to abort the pregnancy?
Ola, do you think you can tarnish my image by doing all this you're doing?
I have done nothing. Are you angry because I reported it to father? See, I'm doing you a favor. Considering the fact that you are the future king of this land.
You know what? I truly don't have anything to tell you now.
Isn't he picking my calls? I don't want to believe what I heard is true. God, I hope it's not true. I hope it's not true.
How are you?
I've been calling you.
Oh, yes, I saw your call, but I was busy when you called, so I forgot to call you back. I forgot to return your calls. That's it.
You didn't pick because you knew why I was calling you, right?
Yeah. No. What are you talking about? It wasn't intentional, like I said. I wanted to call you back, but I forgot. That's it.
So tell me about this girl who is pregnant for you.
What girl? What are you talking about?
3 months pregnant. She is 3 months pregnant for you. Is that correct?
What exactly are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Just make yourself comfortable. Sit.
You should quit lying. Because your sister, Oledo, has told me everything.
Then you barged into my room without knocking.
You're very stupid and senseless. What did you tell Adana?
Get out of my room.
I'm asking you for the last time, what did you tell Adana?
Ikenga, I'm warning you. Get out of my room!
What did you tell her? What did you tell Adana? What did you tell her? What did you tell her?
Stop it! What is it? Stop it! Ikenga!
But I'm not going to do that. I'll kill her.
You want to kill your sister?
She's dead to die. Let her die.
What do you want to kill your sister?
What did you tell her?
Come in.
Greetings, my princess. The king demands to see you at the living room. Tell him I'll be with him shortly. Okay, my princess. Ojukwu was here not long ago. He said I should give you this.
He gave you a letter?
Yes, my princess.
Drop it over there.
Do you know your action could mar the relationship between myself and the king of a Rubele kingdom? Why do you have to behave that way? Why? Eh?
Oledo, why? Why did you do a thing like that? Why?
Now tell me, what do you stand to gain by this your stupid attitude, if I may call it? What do you stand to gain?
I'm sorry, Father. Adana was there when Noloma gave it to me. I didn't know how to hide it from her.
Come on, stop lying. Stop lying, because I know Adana would not force you to give out such information to her. I know.
Your Highness, I suggest we invite Adana here immediately, because it will be disastrous if she tells her parents about it.
And you think she has not done that already?
Her father would have called you if he has been given such information. Yes.
I think you are right. I will send for Adana immediately.
Please do, please.
Ola is going to pay. Ola is going to pay very down. She's going to pay. If she dare destroy the relationship that I have with Adana, she will pay dearly with her life. Ikenga, you better keep quiet and have your seat. Father, I am not going to shut up. I won't shut up. Ikenga, I said, shut up your mouth for once and let me handle this matter myself. Do I make myself clear? Shut up.
It's okay, Ikenga, please. Listen to your father first. Let him handle it.
Better handle it.
Please. You have to fasten it. Call Adana immediately.
That was what happened, Father.
This is unbelievable.
You mean you called Ikenga Barnes and he banged the phone on you?
Yes.
But Adana, I blame you. Why should you keep this all to yourself all this while?
I told her the same thing. Your Highness, what are we going to do? This is a very serious matter.
I'll think about it.
Father, I'm sorry, but I have to tell you right now that I am no longer interested in marrying Ikenga. He should marry his mistress, don't you think?
Adana!
It's okay. Allow your father to make the decision.
I already made my decision. Oh no, she said this was from Ojukwu, I forgot.
My dear Princess Adana, I came to see you, but I was told I could not see you. I hope all is well with you. I do not know how to start, but I just want to let you know that my heart still longs for you. My angel. Our past is still fresh in my memory. We loved each other from our secondary school days, that we even promised to marry each other. We kept this dream until Prince Ikenga came into the picture. Before we knew it, Igwe Umagu's scholarship award to you and the proposal for his son to marry you in return changed our dream. I still love you, my princess. I still love you. From Ojuku.
Kenga's father.
What has my son gotten me into? How will I solve this problem?
Your Highness, is everything all right?
Everything is not all right.
What happened?
I just finished calling the princess.
And what did she say?
She said she has reported the matter to her father.
Hey! You can't get wrapped up no more. What kind of temptation is this? Eh? You need to call him immediately. Call her father now, please.
She said her father is on his way to the palace.
On his way to this place?
Yes.
He didn't even care to call or to tell you that he is coming. It's unlike him. Oh, could it be he is angry?
I don't know.
I think so.
But I just have to keep my fingers crossed.
Hey.
Till he comes.
Hey.
You're serious.
Hey. Adanna's father will be here any moment from now.
What is he going to do?
I think he's coming to see your father concerning the recent development. Adanna told him everything.
So how did you get information?
Your father said he spoke with Adanna not long ago. Ikenga, I blame you for this. Ikenga, I blame you for all this.
No. Ola should be blamed for all this. Mom, if Ola hadn't told Adanna, it wouldn't have gone out. So Ola should be blamed for everything.
Ikenga, you started it. What were you doing with Uloma when you knew you are in a serious relationship with Adanna? It wouldn't have gotten to this level if you didn't get her pregnant. You are the cause. Yes, you are the cause, Ikenga.
I know I am the cause. I know, but Ola should be cautioned. You need to caution her. Mom, if she eventually succeeds to destroy this relationship that I have with Adanna, I swear to God, I will vent my anger on her. I will.
Ikenga, I will caution your sister, but you have to learn from your mistake. Imagine dragging our name. Can't you see it? Can't you see what you've caused?
If she hadn't spoken, this thing wouldn't have gone outside.
Hey!
So it's all her fault. Blame her, not me.
Oh, yeah. My princess. This place is not safe. And you know we have no guard with us.
Relax, nothing will happen.
Ha!
My princess, something will happen now because your father will not be happy that we went out without a guard. He will be angry. This place is somehow. My princess, we've been here for too long now. Eh? What are we even waiting for? Are you sure he or she will show up?
Jane, you asked too many questions. Would you relax?
Okay. I'm sorry, my princess.
Oh, here he comes. Please excuse us.
Okay.
My princess. Princess, I am very sorry. I am very sorry for keeping you waiting. Okay? I was a bit tied up at my home.
It's okay.
Okay.
I got your letter.
Okay.
I had no idea you still had such feelings for me.
My princess, I am ready to die for you. I mean, I feel mad each time I remember the past we shared together. Yes.
What?
Yes.
But you know I am engaged to the prince of Umuagu Kingdom. And so, what am I supposed to do with this? How do you expect that you and I start all over again?
I do not know. Seriously, my princess, I don't. I just want you to know that I still love you. I will never ever break your heart. It's a promise. It's a promise I will never break for the rest of my life.
Oh, I don't believe this is happening. I mean, my father would kill both of us if he ever finds out about this.
My princess, please. I promise you, he will never find out.
Well, will you take me to the bush tomorrow?
The bush? What for?
Hunting. I want you to teach me how to hunt. Will you?
Yes, I will. I still love you.
Never let go, never let go. True love.
Kinga is the right man for you.
He is not. Did you hear me when I said I never loved him? I merely carried along with the entire arrangement with the hopes that eventually I would fall in love with him. Oh, but look what happened. While I was on my way to loving him, he betrayed me and got another girl pregnant.